Hi guys and fellow earthlings, this is Lee from the Urban Gent. So today we're going to be talking just general kind of beard care. So the winter's rolling in, the heating is coming on in the house and things like that. So there's a couple of little things you can watch out for and kind of products that you can use just to kind of keep that kind of beard in tip-top condition. So stay tuned, here we go. Okay, so first up, one of the main things, and everybody should have this in their kit bag, is your beard oil. So this is this would be one of your main go-to products. So what you have to know is that hair is porous, so it kind of takes on its environment. So we've all been abroad and we've been in that air-conditioned hotel, and we're going to go out in the evening. It's nice and humid outside, and you step out, and all of a sudden, within 5 minutes, you've got that kind of 70s porn star kind of look going on. It's not a good look. So it takes on the environment. So hair is porous. So recently, we're starting to turn kind of like your heating back on and things like that. So it dries out the environment in the house. So your beard may feel a little bit drier, skin feeling a bit dry as well. So beard oil, that is your first go-to product. Okay, so beard oil is really kind of designed for your skin first, beard second. So just make sure you want to keep that moisture contained. So a couple of drops of oil, just rub in, but make sure you're rubbing it into the skin underneath the beard. Keep that skin hydrated. Happy skin, happy beard. So it hydrates the skin first, and then it will feed out and start conditioning the beard. Okay, so beard oil, that's your big friend. Okay, number 2 would be your beard balm. Okay, so beard balm is really kind of for that kind of control element of the beard, but what it also does is it locks the moisture into the hair follicles. So if you are using a kind of little bit of a tip, so if you're feeling a bit dry, a couple of little drops of beard oil, get that into the beard, and then put some beard balm in. That beard balm will lock that oil and that moisture into the hair. So it kind of just locks it and gives it more moisture and things like that, and helps it kind of keep nourished throughout the day. So beard balm, even though it is for the control, it also helps to lock in moisture and keep the beard conditioned. Okay, number 3. Now this is one of my favourites. At the moment, beard butter. At the Urban Gent, we are doing a lot of beard butter at the moment. It's a big favourite out there. So when do you use it? So beard butter, I tend to kind of use it kind of in the evening if I'm not kind of going out and things like that. It only has a fairly kind of light hold anyway, so you can sort of style it, but it's a kind of a light hold. And so if I'm not kind of going out, a little bit of beard butter kind of rub in. It's exactly made of those different types of butters. They contain some good kind of fatty acids, and that gets that into the hair. It's almost kind of see it as a kind of a really kind of rich, deep moisturizing kind of conditioner for your beard. So beard butter would be a great go-to just when everything's starting to kind of dry out, especially if you're using a lot of the the central heating a lot more and things like that. The atmosphere has gone drier, so definitely look towards beard butter. It's a great product and stuff like that, and a lot of the guys out there kind of swear by beard butter. So yeah, try beard butter. So guys, just a quick recap. So we've spoken about kind of oils, balms and butters, things like that, and this is for conditioning. So the one real big thing you need to kind of check as well, what shampoo and conditioners are you using and things like that. So if you are kind of using a shampoo and conditioner, just make sure it's an SLS free and a paraben free shampoo and conditioner, because that stuff has and is designed to strip out moisture and oils. Okay, so if you jump on our YouTube channel, there's a big thing about shampoo and conditioners and kind of what to look for within those. So all this stuff is great, but the core product when you're shampooing to start off with, just make sure you've got the right kind of shampoo and conditioner. Stay away from the chemical based ones, go kind of more natural. There's some shampoo bars out there and things like that, some shampoo soaps, some of the guys do them out there. So just try and stay as natural as possible. Stay away from the SLS and the paraben stuff. So and then this stuff will work a lot better. Okay, so to round up, this was a nice short video. We like short videos, don't we? So yeah, oil, your first go-to, use your oils, but get it into the skin. After that, use your balms that will lock the moisture in the hair, and of an evening, perhaps throw a little bit of a butter on there, get that deep, rich moisturising cream into the hair. So don't forget, it is porous. That's one thing you've got to remember. Hair is porous. So if you have got the heating whacked up and you're drying the house out, you will feel that in your beard. So just make sure that you are conditioning, moisturising and things like that, and look after that beard and make it look awesome this Christmas. Yes. So guys, I am Lee Thomas. This is the Urban Gent. Stay safe, stay bearded, and we shall see you soon.